are clear to go. Alright guys, I want you to take your favorite arm and wave goodbye to that dock. Now wave bye to the people on the dock, that makes more sense. Alright guys, who's ready to ride the best Jingle Cruise ride of their lives?
Woo!
Oh wow, well that's unfortunate because that boat left right before us. So you're stuck with me. Welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise where we're famous for being world famous. My name is Nisi and I'll be your host for the next 12 days. Alright guys, now we begin our adventure in the Amazon rainforest where it rains 365 days a year. Do you know why this is Santa's favorite river?
No.
Because he loves rain, dear. Alright guys, and now over here we have some humbugs. You see, we get a lot of insects this time of year. So if you feel itchy, that's the fleas Navidad. And now coming up on your left hand side, we have Inspiration Falls. Now a lot of people ask me, Skipper and Nisi, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? Well, it's because it inspires even the biggest cruises to go caroling. Jingle Cruise, Jingle Cruise, Jingle. I guess not. Alright guys, now everybody say ooh. Everybody say ah. Now that's some inspiration if I don't say so myself. Alright guys, we are now entering the Congo River. It's a great little river, so let's see how far we can go. Now, how many of you guys have seen the movie The Jungle Book? A few of you guys, that's cool. Well, if you haven't seen it, it's right over there. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, I see you guys a festive holiday party. I invited tons and tons of people, but they must have did some last minute shopping because I don't see anyone here. Canoe? Oh wow, guys, look over there. I know what someone's getting this Christmas. They're getting an old tree. It's all wrapped up with a boa on top. Careful though, because he's known for throwing those hissy fits. Alright guys, moving on. Oh wow, look at some last minute holiday shoppers. I guess it's a blowout sale. They're going 8. Funny thing is, I couldn't get my car to start this morning, but they got it to turn over. Alright guys, we are now entering the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world, you know. It goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in disbelief. You're in disbelief, guys. Come on, I set that one up for you. Now on our left-hand side, we have the African elephant. They do a great rendition of Silent Night. Listen. Louder. You know, they're the fastest animals in the world, you know. Look, it's right over there already. And right over here, we have a great rock collection. You see, a lot of people take it for granted, but I think it's one of our bolder attractions. It's just me. And we are now entering the African belt. We have our spotted reindeer, our striped reindeer. Oh, wow, and look at all those chickens. Now, right up over there, we have our pride lions who invited the zebra to dinner. Don't worry, though, guys. He's just sleeping to avoid his extended family. We all been there. And moving forward, we have our Jingle Cruise band. You know, they came out here looking for a drum, but I guess they found a horn instead. You see, Edward didn't think he was tall enough to put the star in the tree, but the rhino will see him through it till the end. Oh, look, that's my friend Ina. Hi, Ina. You know, those are elf hyenas. They're Santa's little yelpers. Alright guys, now I should have warned you before you left. If you do not laugh at my jokes, I will be your swim instructor. And I can't swim, so you really should start laughing. And on that note, what do you call the scariest plant in the jungle? Bamboo. Guys, it's a jungle out there, you gotta stay ready. And now up ahead, we have a special glacier. It's our jungle glacier sitting on top of a hill. Oh my god, it melted. I guess it was a warm winter. Oh, guys, I think we're headed right towards it. Leave, leave, leave! Everybody leave! I don't think we're gonna make it, guys! Leave, leave, leave! Alright, guys, you really overreacted. Alright, guys. Now, us skippers here in the jungle, we like to do a lot of traveling. So, you know, our jungle aviation system, they gave us a big deal. A plane for half off. But it looks like it's grounded again. They really should have used reindeer. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are entering the hippo pool. You see, one year I asked Santa for hungry hippos and he took it too literally. Now guys, if they look like they're going to charge the boat, don't worry, we only take cash. Funny because last week they sank 6 boats. Don't worry, only 5 are mine. Those you guys should be safe. Who here knows how to swim? Alright guys, pay attention. He's your floating device today, alright? And now, up ahead, we have our native dancers who appear to be dancing in a circle. That could only mean one of 2 things. Either they're about to attack, or they lost the keys to the men's bathroom. Happens a lot here in the jungle. But the good thing is, if they do decide to attack, they will always attack from the right side. Oh look, we have our little drummer boys. Alright guys, I think we're safe. Oh no, look, knock it down! They're carolers! You and their freaking pudding, guys. They won't go until they get some. They won't go until they get some. Alright guys, that was close. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. We have the amazing, the spectacular, backside of water! O2H! Alright guys, we are now entering the Congo River. It's a great little river here in Asia. But there appears to be a temple up ahead. Do you guys want to go through it? Yeah. I don't know, guys. It looks like Santa's workshop. We might find presents in there. As we get closer, it actually looks a little bit creepy. Are you guys sure you still want to go through it?
Sure.
Alright, guys. If you get scared, just do what I do. Sing to yourself. Keep your eyes open, alright? You better watch out. I better not cry. Elephant pool. You know, every year they throw a holiday party, but this year's party is quite a letdown. You see, it's a wash. And over there we have Bertha. Bertha's pretty smelly, so this year instead of showering her with gifts, we're giving her the gift of showering. Now guys, I should warn you, there is a possibility you will get wet today. You see the elephant spot out there on the naughty list, so they've been spraying all the guests. I'm gonna try to get us through this safe, but I can't make any promises. Ruby, down! Alright guys, let's try to sneak out by. We should be safe. Oh no, guys, get out! No, I'm kidding, guys. I trained it myself. You're fine. Alright, we now come to the part of the cruise where we look at more plants. Perks of being in the jungle, right? You see there's many different species. I'm gonna point them all out for you, alright? We have Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen. Over here we have Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But over here, it's the most popular type of plant. Can any of you guys guess it? No one? No ideas?
Rudolph.
No, that's Fern. Come on. Alright, now right over here we have Trader Santa. Trader Santa is the best businessman here in the jungle, but business has been a little bit slow. So here's the current deal going on for you guys. You ready? His deal is 2 heads and a partridge in a pear tree. Any takers? No. Alright guys, we are about to head back to civilization, so please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs in the boat until directed otherwise. Now guys, while we're waiting, I'll just give myself a special shout out because I think I'm awesome. I'd like to thank my legs for always supporting me. My arms for always being by my side. My fingers and toes because I can always count on those. And I guess you guys are great too. Now guys, if you enjoyed your cruise today, my name is Skipper Nisi. And if you did not, well, the names really don't matter. And on that note, if you laughed today, thank you for laughing. And if you did not laugh today, well then thank you for leaving. You made it awkward for us all. Alright guys, the time has come. The time for us to head back to civilization. And oh no, guys, they're holding up a number 2. Do you know what that means? You guys did not laugh enough. We have to go around 2 more times, so let's get excited! Welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise, where we're famous for being world famous. No, I'm kidding. I would never do that to myself. All right, guys, now we've laughed together. We've cried together. We very nearly died together with my driving. So that basically makes us like a family, right? And like any family, 10 minutes together is just way too long. So guys, pack your things and get out. I'm sorry, that was so rude. Make like Santa and leave my presents. That wasn't a joke, guys. Get out. Oh, don't stop. No, seriously, guys, don't stop. I'm a middle child. I need all the attention. All right, guys, you have been outstanding. I need you outstanding on that dock. Watch your head, watch your step. Please, you can hear now.
You're very good.
Thank you so much.